Okay, so I just got the new Wandr by OneScreen, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through an assembly process, the setup process for this guy. I just got this box. As you can see, it has a couple of straps on here. The neck part, alrighty, we'll lay this guy down. Looks like we have a zip lock. We have a power bar, the additional power cable, remote control, and we got a couple of batteries here as well. There's a couple of little screws. Now this unit also does come with a camera, so there's a box right here. So you see here, this is gonna be a USB-C. Looks like right on the top of the Wandr. This is a 32-inch touchscreen 4K resolution monitor. See how beautiful this piece is. Be very gentle here, okay. So it looks like we have our connecting piece on the back there. So we'll go ahead and put that back down in the box. And then, looks like we have our base. You see there's 5 wheels on here. And it looks like I could definitely put this pole right here in the top as well. So let's do that. I'll pick this guy up. There's a slot piece right here. And then if you look at the base, there's actually a perfect line, a little piece that sticks up that will actually coincide right with that piece. So I can go ahead and slide it right in just like I did, okay? So now I have that at an angle. I do have the 4 screws. These are where the 4 screw holes are, that you just pop your 4 screws in at that point. Now I'm gonna pick this guy up and set it flat. You can see as I'm holding it by the base, it's now tightly screwed in. There's a piece of foam I can go ahead and take out of there. Get rid of that guy. That piece right there, I'm gonna pull back. Let's pick up our monitor. You know what, so right here, if you can see properly, there are these 2 pieces that stick up right here, and you'll notice when you look at the back here, you can see there's 2 notches right in here that's gonna fit right onto. Again, just gonna angle it a little bit and pop it right back in just like I did a second ago. There we go. Okay, perfect. I pulled it in and that actually snapped it right in place. So now it's gonna be right on there. Angle it 90 degrees like that. Have it facing you all. And then now, so I need to connect this cable. I need to put this guy in here. So the main thing to recognize here is that this cable that comes with it does need to go clockwise. So it's gonna spin this way to the right, and there's actually a little holder that it fits into and a little clamp that it's gonna go into, and then you actually fit the USB-C cable in there. There is gonna be a small little case on that USB-C that you just have to pop right in there, and then now it's secure. So now I've connected the power cable from the base to the monitor by clockwise popping it right in here to the holder, into the clamp, and then to the USB-C port. And then I can take the external piece that's hanging on the back of the cart and pop that right in there as well, nice and gently. The other nice part I mentioned earlier, you do have the nice little USB-C camera that has a couple of rods on it as well. You slide it right to the top, pop it down, and now you have that as well. Now remember, you also do have the 2 power cables that connect to this guy. The great part is there's also a battery included in this unit as well. And so at this point, once you get it charged, you can actually have a roll around wireless. So you're just gonna plug these guys in to give it a charge. And there are, just so you know, on the back, you got your power button, as well as your HDMI, and then 2 USB ports. You got a 3.0 and a 2.0 ready to go. And that's really it. Thanks for joining us.